Davey Dave, WPGX Fox 28. What better way to start the week than with Motorcycle Monday? I'm out here at the beach. You wonder what does Harley-Davidson and the beach have in common? Well, Harley-Davidson, Panama City Beach, figured it out. The Beach Shack. From swimsuits to beach towels to everything in between, cool sunglasses, everything and anything, Harley-Davidson for the beach. If you're coming to the beach, you need to stop by Pier Park and check out Harley-Davidson of Panama City Beach Beach Shack for all your beach gear and everything in between. I'm Davey Dave, WPGX Fox 28.